So this is the newest of my fleet. I'm gonna see if I can get that sucker shot. I had a day off this week and I hunted. So I had only killed one bird. So I sacrificed him as a work decoy rather than a meal, so. Oh, yeah. Now we wait. The sun's a little weird now where it's bright out here and the birds in the shadow. It's gonna have to be somebody trolling looking for it to see it. If they're just zinging by, they may not see it. I can hear gravel crackling, so there's a rig coming now. The passenger pointed to it. We'll see what happens. Oh no, here we go. I just heard a door close. I just want to make sure we're not going to get somebody coming through the side. I heard a door, but I don't see the truck yet. I think I heard a dog bell. Yeah, probably gonna eat my decoy. The hunter is trying to get his dog to flush the bird, and the dog is running right by the bird. He doesn't really know what's going on because in a normal situation with a live bird, the bird would be moving and putting out scent, and so the dog's kind of running around and doesn't really know what to do. Okay, Morton, you did everything right.
Back in Pittsburgh, Conservation Officer Chris Egan stops a hunter who has just shot a grouse decoy.
How many other birds do you have in the truck? Nothing? No. We're good.
I got it.
Like I said, you did it all right. You're all good. And just check your license quick.
Sure.
Make sure you don't have any other birds with you. And
Yeah, am I holding that?
yeah, no problem. It looks like he's a legit hunter. He didn't stop and back up with his truck and then put the gun out the window. I did let him shoot. He obviously did it in a safe manner. He waited until his dog wasn't anywhere near it and was off in the bushes. There's nothing illegal about it. We're good, sir. Thank you. And you're by yourself, and there was a passenger in there.
Wife and daughter.
Yeah, and no other birds in the truck then?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope, you're welcome to go look.
Very good. I appreciate it, sir. Thank you.
You know, I just knew. I was hoping for him to come back around and point the stupid thing.
Flush it up to you, and yeah.
And then I saw him sitting there. I said, "Is it dead? It can't just be sitting there."
Right. Yeah. There's that back. Well, like I said, you did it right, and we appreciate that, and that's why we're out here to keep the honest guys honest.
Good enough. Huh?
All right. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. The guy did everything right, so I'm gonna kick him loose and he's gonna go about his day.
Today we're gonna break away from the patrol for a little bit, and I'm going to assist our local raptor rehabilitator, Jane Kelly from On the Wing, with the release of a few rehabilitated red-tailed hawks. So we're gonna release them on a beautiful piece of property in Epping, owned by the Southeast Land Trust. It's just perfect habitat for these birds and a great way to reintroduce them to the wild. To see an animal that was in real tough shape, bounce 100% back and be able to be re-released into the wild, that's the reward for us.
I'm here today with New Hampshire Fish and Game. one of the biologists. It's good to see you.
Nice seeing you too.
Yeah, and one of the conservation officers, and they're helping give back to Mother Earth and releasing these birds. We're surrounded by a group of people ranging from wildlife photographers to birders, families. It's a community of people coming together on behalf of wildlife. So they've all been housed together, and I'll bring this out to the field for you. Okay. You know, they'll hang out for a couple days together and then they'll disperse. So.
Today is my first raptor release. I have been on several captures, so I'm looking forward to today and releasing a bird that is a representative of what I've helped capture in the past.
Got him?
Yep.
Now take your right hand and put it over his wings. You can even hold his tail feathers with your right hand like that. There you go, perfect. All right?
Yep.
Got him?
I do.
Okay.
Now, before you move too much further, as soon as that comes off, is it gonna
He's gonna look around, he's gonna look a little scared. Just count to 3 and let him go, okay?
Sounds good.
All right, buddy.
Does it have a name?
No.
1, 2, 3.
All right, Rachel, let's just step over here. Okay, I'm gonna come on this side of you. Be that healthy bird. And you'll see once we take the hood off that its head is better. It still has a little ring around its neck. Sergeant Marson rescued the bird that was stuck in a gate. So that bird had head trauma and neck injury.
Oh. He's ready to go.
I feel honored having a military person releasing a bird is pretty powerful. All right, Courtney.
So the bird I'm releasing today, it was a motor vehicle strike. This bird was disoriented, it was not able to fly. We're able to get it to Jane Kelly. She did the hard work of rehabbing it. Now I get to have the pleasure of releasing it back to the wild.
Okay, so he'll count to 3 when he releases it.
Go that way. 1, 2, 3. One stroke of its wings, and it's covered 10 feet. It's kind of got a spiritual feel to it, so it's a really neat experience.
Nice job, Courtney.
Another one on the books.
Yeah.
Today, I think we nailed it. Photographers got to get all kinds of different shots. I didn't get pooped on, I don't think, so that's a win for me. And, you know, just got to spend this beautiful afternoon outdoors with fellow animal lovers. So going away today with a good feeling, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Thanks, everybody, for coming out.